Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can set up a wireless network connection on a Windows system. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Now, these steps will be the same in Windows 10 and 11, even if some of the screens appear slightly different. Let's get started. Now, these steps will need to be done for every computer on the network you are setting up, so you will end up performing these steps a few times. Let's start off by going to Settings. In Settings, you want to go to the Network and Internet icon. From there, in the statuses, make sure that your connection is set to private. If it isn't, click on Properties and set the network profile to private. Next, we'll want to go to the Control Panel, Network and Internet, and click on the Network and Sharing Center. From here, in the left pane, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under the Private tab, make sure that the radio buttons to turn on Network Discovery and turn on File and Printing Sharing are both marked. Since we're setting this up as a private network, you can ignore the guest or public settings. Under All Networks, make sure to turn on sharing so that anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folders. This will be important when it comes to folders and files you move to the public folders to be shared. Going on, under Media Streaming, click on Choose Media Streaming Options. Click on Turn on Media Streaming. You can now see all of the networks for all networks and your local network. Here you can give permission to share media library items with other computers on the network. Make sure that the Allowed button is checked for the devices you want to share with. Then simply click OK. Leave the 128-bit connection encryption on. And finally, for password protected sharing, this is more for your personal preferences. If this is a network for work or where there are files you need extra protection for, then you can turn this on. Otherwise, you can turn it off. And since I use each one of my computers for different reasons, I of course selected the off option. Click on Save Changes. Now you will have to repeat those steps for every system on your network. Once completed, you can do one of two things. You can just move the files and folders you want to share to the public folders, or you can change the sharing permissions of the folders on each computer. To do this, open the File Explorer. Simply right-click on the folder that you want to share and go to Properties. Navigate to the Sharing tab and click on Share. You'll see a full list of everyone granted access to the folder and their permission levels. Click on the drop-down menu and select Everyone. You have the option of choosing permission levels. If you're merely wanting to share the folder, then you might want to leave it at Read. If you want to give the person or the computer permission to edit, then select Read and Write. Once done, click on the Share button and click Done. You'll need to do this for every folder you want to share on every one of the systems in the network. Finally, we are at the point to access the other systems on your network. In the File Explorer, scroll down till you see Network. Double-click on the computer you want to access a file from. Then, simply select the folder you're after, and you're all set. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.